My name is Josh Bone. I'm the Business Development Manager for Smart Use, and we provide hardware and software solutions for field and project management solutions. Here is our S55 Table. This is a 55-inch, basically touch tablet. For example here, I've got a simple set of plans that were produced as PDFs right out of any software that you're using. We handle PDFs and DWFs. So I'm able to come in here right now. If I want to change the size, you'll see that I can very easily kind of change the thumbnail sizes. I can swipe here and easily move back and forth. What I would go ahead and do right now is show you the floor plan. And on the floor plan, you'll see I can come in here and zoom in. Now, when I'm zooming in and moving around, I have full touchscreen capabilities. I have my key plan here that I can move around as well. All very responsive. You'll see these little blue icons now as I'm moving in and zooming around. And what you'll see here too, that as we do this, it automatically does. There's no manual linking that you have to do on your end. The software does automatic recognition of text. So when we set this up and we export out as a PDF or a DWF, you'll see here that all of these are hyperlinks now, calling the callouts. So even though I'm over here right now on sheet G1.1, when I go back up here, I have the ability right now to look at enlarged plans on 4.1 very quickly and easily. I can move this around. I can size this, I can zoom in, I can zoom out, I can come back in here and open another sheet, and at the same time be able to interact very quickly, very easily. When I'm looking at that sheet now, you'll even see here, as many sheets as I want to pull up and use, I can still zoom in and zoom out back here. And this same technology that we're working with now works on iPads and works on any Windows Surface tablet. So any Windows 7, Windows 8 device, you can interact, you can do that on. I'm going to go back now and show you a couple of things that we can do. When I'm out here right now and I'm looking at the floor plan, if I want to compare drawings, I can take and just simply swipe down on my floor plan. Again, the interaction is the same on all your tablet devices. I can open these two, I can look at them side by side. I can even overlay the two of these on top of one another to compare them. So if they're not lined up, I can move them around and adjust that. But you'll see as I look in here now, I can see both my ceiling plan and my floor plan. I can change the order, so I can push one to the back and send it to the front as well. Hey, Christine, do you mind handing me my Surface tablet real quick and plug it? So everything that we're doing here, as I said, is in the cloud. So when I'm out here moving around and I'm just navigating, when you are out in the field and you have someone that's on their tablet, right now I'm just using a typical Windows Surface tablet. If I come out here in real time when I'm zooming in and moving around, you'll see I can go to that same sheet now, and as I'm on that same sheet, I get ready to zoom in. It's responding here on my tablet the exact same way that it would be working on the table. I can come in and take shapes, and as I'm looking at these tools, I can start to create that. And it's the moment that I do that, it's going through our cloud, and I can come back in here now, the field guy is making notes, putting in text. I can come back in here and very responsive, size this back in and around, adjusting that. If I want to put a highlighter in here and highlight some of the items, you can see that I can highlight that. And again, this is all real time and very responsive as far as just simple touch gestures. So anyone in the field can use this technology. If I want to change the color, I can change the color. And as I'm making the marks, you'll see that again live on the fly. Another thing I can even start to do here with any of these items, whether it's text, I can start to embed and link references here. So I can attach other documents of different file formats, Word, Excel documents, JPEGs, bitmaps, TIFFs, a number of file formats that can be associated with this to ultimately generate a digital as-built set of drawings. You'll see here very interactive displays. We want to go ahead and take a picture of us. So right now, when I come out here, we'll take a picture of you. And when I take that picture, again, I can size that, I can attach that to other items here. And when I save this now, it's going to go through our cloud. It's going to take a little bit longer. But from everything that we're doing, from typical notes, and if I want to size a note here, put that, I can associate a note. You'll see everything's live again on the fly. If I come back out here to an audio note, I can record an audio note and adjust the audio note and record audio as well. So if I hit the audio note and I want to set this up, my audio, I can drop that in, and as I hit record, it's recording my voice now live on the fly. I can stop that, and then when I'm ready to go back and play that, it's going to play that right back through any device. Again, this software will run on any Windows 7, Windows 8 device, so it doesn't have to be touchscreen. It can be mouse-driven. Any of those features will just work exactly as you see what I've been demonstrating here. We manage everything through the cloud, so all of our projects can be stored in the cloud. We provide you with unlimited data, unlimited storage, and even concurrent users. So you can have as many as 1,000 people signed up as users, and everyone can be viewing and working and collaborating. Visit us at smartuse.com. That's SMARTUSE.com.